हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आया हूँ स्वीक की कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल। तो अगर आपने कोर्स पास आउट किया है या आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 1 to 3 इयर्स और 4 इयर्स, देन यू शुड चेक द एंटायर वीडियो। इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराते रहता हूँ। एंड आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट 8+ years of experience recruiting people for different skills like Power BI developer, business analytics, data analytics, full stack developer role. So if you do not want to lose out any single opportunity related to these domains, do subscribe this channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। बट बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट वांटेड टू रिमाइंड यू अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज, जहां पे मैंने स्टार्ट करी है डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली जॉब अपडेट्स अबाउट बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, डेटा साइंस और पावर बीआई डेवलपर जॉब्स के रिलेटेड। तो अगर अभी तक आपने फॉलो नहीं किया है मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पेज, तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल है।
तो फ्रेंड्स आगे हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे, और जैसा कि आपको मैंने बताया था इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो दैट टुडेज वीडियो इज अबाउट पावर बीआई डेवलपर और पावर बीआई कंसल्टेंट रोल। तो अगर आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस है ऑफ 2 to 3 इयर्स, या फिर आप फ्रेशर हैं, जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं, या यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एनी रिमोट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, देन दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं, जस्ट उससे पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव द रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज व्हिच इज जॉब सर्च फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे जॉब्स एंड नोटिफिकेशंस, एंड माय वेबसाइट callcentertalks.com फॉर डेली न्यूज एंड ब्लॉग्स अबाउट डेटा साइंस डोमेन। सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो बोथ द चैनल्स। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। First company in the list is the MAVERICS Technologies, hiring for Power BI developer. Experience they are looking for 6 months to 2 years. Location is Pune, Mumbai. Salary 5 to 7 lakhs per annum, and education BE, BSc in computer science or related field. If I'll talk about the role column, building analysis service reporting models, developing visual reports, dashboards, and KPI scorecards using Power BI desktop. Excellent in analytical thinking for translating data into visual and insights. Expertise in using advanced level calculation on the data sets. Able to develop tabular and multi-dimensional models that are compatible with warehouse standards. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this specific job. And if I talk about the technical skills, what you need to have: development experience in Microsoft 365 technologies, including SharePoint Online and the Power Platform. Ability to learn new emerging technologies, and excellent communication skills, written as well as verbal. So these are some technical skills you need to have. And if you are interested for the job post, you can click on this link, which is available in the description box. Let's move to the second job, which is for the company named GENPACT, hiring for Power BI developer cum business analyst. Experience 0 to 2 years. Location is Hyderabad and Bangalore. Salary 4 to 7 lakhs per annum. Education BTech, MCA, MCOM or postgraduate. And if I talk about the roles and responsibilities, building amend updates required using SQL, VBA and MSBA solutions. Support other ad hoc requests within the stipulated time. Regular monthly, quarterly opening. Process documentation. And if I talk about the technical skills, what you need to have: proficient in SQL, in Power BI, working understanding of query optimization. Further, expert in MS Excel and MS Access with some BV knowledge. Excellent interpersonal skills and analytical reasoning ability, and flexibility to quickly shift priorities, multitask and priorities simultaneously. Requirements in fast-paced environment. So these are some required skills. As I mentioned, experience they are not looking just 0 to 2 years. So if you're interested for a data analysis job as well, then also you can apply, because if you'll see, the SQL, Power BI, Excel, these are also tools which are good in data analytics. Now, if you're interested for the job post, this application link I have already given the description box. Let's move to the third job, which is for the company name Icon, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 2+ years. Location, they are offering you remote job opportunity. Salary is competitive. Education BE, BSc in computer science or related field. About the role: design and build Power BI semantic models to accurately represent business logic and data relationships. Regularly review and optimize and update semantic models to reflect changes in business requirements. Utilize DEX to create complex calculation, measure and data analysis. Optimize DEX queries for performance and scalability. Establish and maintain data quality standards, ensuring accuracy. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job. And if I talk about the required skills, what you need to have: data experience, planning and forecasting data would be an added advantage. Finance background could be beneficial. Tools: Power BI, Power Platform. Experience with Alteryx, data transformation, Tableau. BI tool, preferably Power BI. And if you're okay with Tableau as well, then you are also good to go. Willing to learn PBA, Excel communication skills, and ETL, SQL, HTML, CSS. So these are some not mandate requirement, but if you have in your resume, that is good to have. And if you want to apply for the job post, this link is available in the description box. Let's move to the fourth job, which is for the company name RENOUS, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 3 to 4 years. Location is remote. Education bachelor's degree in computer science, stats or related field, and salary 6 to 8 lakhs per annum. And again, the roles and responsibilities: develop interactive and visually compelling dashboards using Power BI to analyze and present data. Collaborate with the stakeholders to understand business requirements and translate them into data visualization solutions. Perform data analysis to identify trends, patterns, and insights that inform business decisions. Optimize Power BI reports and dashboards for performance and usability. Work closely with cross-functional teams to drive data-driven initiatives and projects. And for this job, the technical skills they are looking for: strong understanding of data visualizing principles and best practices, proficiency in SQL for data manipulation and querying, experiencing with the data modeling, ETL process and data warehouse concepts, and self-motivated with the ability to work independently and as a part of the team. So the technical skills, basically, you must know about the SQL. You should be proficient in this. Then Tableau or Power BI, then ETL processes and other data warehousing concepts. And if you find yourself suitable for this job post, you can apply by clicking on this link, which is available in the description box. Let's move to the fifth job, which is for the company name Deloitte, a well-known consulting firm, hiring for Power BI consultant. Experience 3 to 5 years. Location is in Bangalore. Salary 8 to 11 lakhs per annum, and education bachelor's degree or master's degree in engineering discipline. And if we'll talk about the roles and responsibilities, what you'll build is you'll build and nurture positive working relationship with teams and clients to exceed clients' expectation. Design, develop, and deploy solutions using different tools, design principles, and conventions. Understanding existing process and facilitate change requirements as part of a structured change control process. Coordinate with process owners and business to understand the as-is process and design the automation process. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And if I talk about the required skills, connecting to data source, importing data and transforming data for business intelligence, proficient in making DAX queries in Power BI desktop, expertise in using advanced level calculation of the data set, and able to develop tubular and multidimensional models that are compatible with warehouse standards. So if you have enough experience as required by this company and you know the DAX formulas, how to create DAX formulas in Power BI this desktop, then definitely you can apply for the job post. And to apply for the job post, this link is available in the description box. Let's move to the sixth job, which is for the company name SPHERA, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 2+ years. Location is remote. Education BSc, B engineering in computer science, engineering or relevant field, and salary 10 to 13 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. And what you need to do as a Power BI developer over here is develop and maintain dashboards, data in Power BI, supporting decision support for a range of users, maintaining all systems, user data, proactive previewing in line with HR census update across the service group, producing ad hoc reports to support user community, ensuring all users are granted access to the relevant training materials, and then communications are clear on the training content available, and liaising with IT to manage system access and permissions. So these are some kind of Power BI admin kind of role this is. So you should be ready for this role. And some technical skills this company is looking for. What you need to have is in-depth understanding of database management system, online analytical processing, which is also known as OLAP, and ETL framework, familiarity with BI technologies, Microsoft Power BI, Oracle BI, knowledge of SQL queries, proven abilities to take initiatives and be innovative, analytical mind with a problem solving aptitude. So these are some required skills for this job post. And if you want to apply for the job post, you can click on this link, which is available in the description box. Let's move to the seventh job, which is for the company name Cummins, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 0 to 2 years. Location is again Pune, partially remote, and salary 2 to 4 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: conducts descriptive and diagnostic analytical or data sources, identify patterns and trends in data sets, creates reports and dashboards on analysis results using business intelligence technologies, create data catalog entries and ensure data catalog metadata quality, and analyze diverse data sets to identify data quality, coherency, and integratability. And some technical skills this company is looking for: should be able to understand customers' PBI requirement, create wireframe wherever required, work on all PBI development independently, should be good with medium to complex PBI reports, and mandatory is SQL, Power BI, DAX, hands-on experience with at least one ETL tool. And if you are applying for the job post, this link is available in the description box. And thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.